Yeah,
So
thank
now
you.
how does it feel, you know?
A lot's changed, that's for sure. लेकिन जब भी ना मैं फिल्म शूट के लिए आ रही थी मुंबई के लिए, I used to just be asked one question, कि when is Pushpa 2 releasing? And today, with all of my heart and all of my confidence and all of my excitement, I can proudly announce that we're finally coming to you on December 5th.
अब बात समझ में आ गई हम सबको. Of course, she said it. अब समझ में आ गई. You know, talk to us about this amazing filmmaker,
जी.
सुकुमार sir. जितना कहा जाए उतना कम है. उन्होंने जब ये नरेट किया था आपको, जब इसके बारे में बताया था, उस समय क्या चल रहा था?
Gee, it's just like how you've just said, no matter how many words, it's all too short for him. He's, in simple one-liner, I would just like to say he's a genius. I feel like he's not from Earth, he's from somewhere else, but you know, he's just born as a human being and some other soul is just, he's a genius.
वो सामने नहीं आते हैं, मतलब ऐसा we don't get to meet him. What is this?
Sir, we should really plan to kidnap
है ना,
him.
we have to do something with Sukumar sir because we've been waiting to talk to him. Of course, anyone and everyone over here. You know, कौन सी एक चीज है रश्मिका इस फिल्म की, इस 5 साल की जर्नी की, that will always stay with you?
There's 5 years journey is, you can't say it in one word, you can't say it in one phrase or sentence. Lekin, this, like 7 years of my journey as an actor, 5 years being with Pushpa, Pushpa is home. And now when we're done with the film, I actually don't know how to react to it because I'm very, very sad that it's ended, but I'm very, very excited that it's finally coming out. So I'm a little overwhelmed with a lot of emotions, but yeah, I'm hoping that I get to work with the team many more times.
I'm sure, fingers crossed, and I'm sure ऐसा ही होगा. यहाँ पे बड़ी सारी बार आप आओगे और हम सबसे बातचीत करने वाले हो. 5th December, the rule begins, ladies and gentlemen. Culmination नहीं है किसी चीज का, बल्कि शुरुआत है. बॉक्स ऑफिस के लिए एक नई उम्मीद, कुछ नए रिकॉर्ड्स तो आप भी तोड़ रहे हो. पता नहीं कितने तरीके से वो हार्ट बना लेते हो आप. How many?
बस ये
मैं तो खत्म हो गया, मैं जा रहा हूँ.
आप सबके लिए.
मेरा हो गया. Okay, जाते जाते of course I've got this request from everyone, you know, जितने लोग यहाँ बैठे हैं, we will play अंगारो, और आपको चिंगारी कैसे जलाते हैं वो सिखाना पड़ेगा, otherwise I can't.
No, before that, can I just talk to everyone?
Please, yes.
Hi guys. Are you all waiting for the release? Pakka you'll go watch. I'll be looking forward for all your reviews, huh? Huh? Yeah, I really will because I know every time I spoke to all of you guys, you were only asking when is Pushpa 2 coming, when is Pushpa 2 coming. So finally it is releasing. Now please watch it in theaters on December 5th and I hope you guys like it. I hope you enjoy it. Bas, I'll stop.
She said it. बस ठीक है, अभी बोल दिया ना, अभी करने का है. So can we have that song थोड़ा सा?
आप करोगी मेरे साथ?
मैं तो I'm dying to do it, of course.
Lovely, thank you.
अरे मैंने ऐसे ही बोला भाई. Gentlemen, one more time, give it up for Rashmika, and thank you so much for being so amazing every single time. जोरदार तालियां हो जाए. Of course, मेरा तो हो गया, घर जा रहा हूं मैं, किसी और को बुला लो, देख लो. Did I say that like out loud or something? No, I did not. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, after that $1 million $1 trillion moment, what we'll do is we'll take a look at this song on the big screen, Peeling song, जो कि अभी अभी आया, of course हम सबको बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद आ रहा है. मैं थोड़ा पसीना